My 2009 Ford Fusion with 200k miles, and it got some minor boo-boo or a fender bender on the front end, and this is what happens. And the turn light is missing. It's nothing major. Hood is still intact. This side also has a minor dent, but I'm just going to pull it out. Not really necessary to replace it. Even the turn lights is actually pretty good for the marker lights. It's very clean inside, well maintained, and well, for today I'm just going to show you how to replace the fender. I'm actually charging the battery right now because it's way discharged. First, I'm going to take out this 10mm screws over here, over here, over here. I think there's one over here, and then down here, and then this two over here. I think this is you probably don't need to do this, or you could if the bracket inside is not damaged. To remove this one without taking the whole bumper out, this one should be taken out, and I think I need to take this out too and see what the damage inside is. The two screws, or the three screws over here, and pretty much that's broken. That's what's left of the I think there's like a plastic here that holds this bumper, and there's also another clip here. So we're gonna open the insulation over here. There's a screw in here. Just like a two. Get this one out. Yep. And yeah, I think it's a number 7, maybe the smaller one, number 8, and you just have to loosen it, not actually all the way take it out. So yeah, if you pull it out. Okay, time to remove the splash shields here, or the inner fender. These are all good clips, they didn't break at all, so I got all of them out. This one, so it's like it's a tight space in here with the tire on, so I probably do some more. Probably I need to remove the tire. Yep. And then there's 2 more in here. One over here, and the other one is only accessible under the wheel. That's why we took out the splash shield or the inner fender. Taking out the nut. Everything is just loose, and you can pull this out. This one part. And I have the side markers there with the clip and the bracket too. We need to take out the bracket here because it's actually bent, and it didn't actually damage anything. It didn't. I could. Well, I'll probably just. I could just replace this one. I'll just replace this whole bracket. The bracket is way over here, and I don't think there's like an easy access on top. Yep. Maybe a swivel probably would work. Yep. It's not in good shape compared to the one over here, which is really straight. Final product. Got the fender replace. The color actually matches. There's some like slight scratches over here, and I still need to press this one more a little bit because it's like sticking out, but everything is good. Yep, I still need to find a fender on this side.